Hey guys, if you're trying to delete a file or folder on your computer and you're getting this error message here that says the action can't be completed, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix this. So you can see at the moment, every time I right click on this folder and press the trash icon, I'm getting this error message here saying that the folder is already in use. So it doesn't matter if I click on try again, I'm still unable to delete this. Now, how to fix this is you need to head over to your start menu and just search for run. And then we're going to click on the run icon. In the search box, type in resmon.exe and hit enter. Then what you need to do is click on the CPU tab in the top navigation here, and then we're going to come down to the search box next to associated handles. Now all you simply need to do is search for the folder that you're trying to delete here and press enter. And now what we need to do is just end all of the processes in this bottom section relating to this folder. So you can do this just by right clicking on the service and pressing end process, and confirming by pressing this end process button. If I now right click again on this folder and press the trash icon, you can see we're now able to delete it without any issues. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.